So how to use the compass on a Redmi Watch 3? Basically you can do it from the widgets that are displayed by default on the watch. What you need to do is to press 2 times on the side button. It will display this list of items with icons, and above Alexa we can see the compass icon. We click it and we see the compass. Now the first time when you're doing it, it will ask to calibrate the compass. It's very easy, you can just rotate the watch, it will show you exactly what you need to do, and after that you will see the compass app, and it seems to work pretty well, because in that way it's east and it seems to display it quite well. It's a bit northeast, which is actually correct. If I check it from my phone, it will display the same thing. Alright, so this is how you can use the compass on a Redmi Watch 3. Thank you for watching.